ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I am Remy Makwan. Welcome students to Social Studies class of Standard 3rd. Now, let me ask you a question before starting the chapter. Dhruvisha, tell me, where do you live? Gayatri Nagar. Good. Hanil, where do you live? Rupani Circle. Very good. Fanny, where do we live? Okay, you live to Airport Road. Very good, students. So, as you gave the location, address, yes, that you stay over here in a particular place. But this particular place you are living, that is, you are living at your home with your families. Yes? Yeah, very good. So, can you tell me that where is your home? Your home is on the Mother Earth. Yes, the shape of the earth is round and the color is blue, and that is known as a geode. The particular earth is known as geode, and it is the living planet. Yes, so the chapter today we are going to learn more about is the earth that we live. Yes, so let's see the topic of the chapter. Introduction: is the earth flat or round? Shape of the earth, life on earth, and let's recall. So today only we will see the two topic, that is the earth, it is flat or it is round in the shape. Okay, and then we will see the shape of the earth. So before starting introduction, how do you look at the sky? Do you look down or do you look at up? Yes, you look sky at up. Yes, you look at the sky like you'll see on the top. Yes, yes. So the warm-up question, the first question is, what do we see in the sky during the daytime? Come on, Niyati, tell me, what do we see in the sky during daytime? Yes, you see the sun. So we see the sun during daytime. Yes, as you get up in the morning, what you will see, the first thing is the sun. You feel freshened when you see the sun. Yes, and you feel pleasant when you see it. Okay, and the second warm-up question is, what do we see in the night sky? During night sky, what do we see? As it gets dark, what do we see? Come on, Hanil, tell me the question's answer. Yes, we see the stars and the sun. See, it's there on the screen. We see the stars and the moon in the night sky. Very good. Now let's see the introduction. The sun, the moon, and the stars are called as heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. We can say that the sun, the moon, and the star that are visible in the sky, okay, even we can say a comets, a planets, they are known as heavenly bodies, or we can say celestial bodies. Okay, and how many planets are there in our solar system? Come on, Dhruvisha, tell me, how many planets do we have in our solar system? Yeah, we have 8 planets in our solar system. Very good. Now let us see that planets. Which are they? First is Mercury, Venus, third is Earth, and Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So how many planets are there, students? There are 8 planets in our solar system. Come on, repeat after me. That first one is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, Okay, today we will talk more about the Earth. So you should know, students, that Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Understood? And the fourth one is Mars. Then fifth one is Jupiter. Yes. Then Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now, as you say, we live at our home, but our home is at Earth, okay, on our Earth. So the Earth is home to all living things, and Earth is the only planet to the universe where there is life. Now, how can we say that? Can you say that why? This is because there is air, okay, you breathe in, you need air, then you need water. Yes, living creatures, living beings need water and the land. So all these living things that can survive on Earth. Now the next clip is the Earth flat or is it round in the shape? Niyati, can you tell me, is the Earth flat or round in the shape? It is flat. You say it is flat. Okay. Our ancestors also thought the same, that our Earth is flat. It is flat. Okay. So let me clear your doubt. The Earth is plains, then land that is flat. Yes, the plains and the land that is flat, or the road we take is also flat, and the way of your school is also flat. So now you think that Earth is flat? Yes, you are also thinking the same. Yes, now let me tell you that in early times, people thought that Earth is flat, and if they come into the edge, means over here, if they come into the edge, then they may fall off. But what they thought, the thinkers like Aristotle and Copernicus say that Earth is round like a ball. Do you have a ball at your home? Do you play ball? Yes. So there's an activity for you. Whatever items you have in a shape like a round, you are going to note it down in your book. Okay? Yes. So these two thinkers say that Earth is round. So now let me tell you, who proved that Earth is round? Who proved that Earth is round? Now let me tell you a brief story about Ferdinand Magellan. He is a Portuguese sailor. He proved that Earth is round in the shape. Yes, you have a ball, you have a basketball at your home, you play, yes, but you know that the ball is round in the shape. But how this person proved that Earth is round in the shape? Because he started his journey. Here it is written voyage. Voyage means a journey on a ship. Okay, he started his journey with 5 ships and many sailors. They started sailing from west, from the Spain, okay, and they started sailing, and towards the east side they came, and they returned to the same place. They returned to the same place, and which was that place? Yes, that place he started from Spain. Yeah, so he returned after 3 years, means it was a tough journey for Magellan, that he proved that Earth is round in the shape, and this journey proved that Earth is round and Earth is not flat, okay, and it has no edges. So later astronauts proved that when they went into the space, they brought the pictures from there, and they brought the picture of what? They brought the picture of the Earth, yes, and they proved beyond the doubt that Earth is round in the shape. Understood, students? Yes. And the last topic, shape of the Earth. As I said that you have a ball at your home, yes, And so you just touch today, you just take it and put it in your hand and see that our earth is also same like it. Yes? So it is actually more like an orange. Yes? You have had your fruit like orange. Yes? How many's favorite fruit is orange? Everyone. Yes. So you have seen orange when you touch orange. Means when you hold an orange, you just see that. Orange, the middle part is bulging, yes, whereas the top and the bottom is flat. So orange resembles same like the earth. Understood, students? Is it clear? Yes. So this shape is called geode. So students, I hope this video is clear to you. Yes, just see that you will complete the activity. Okay, the activity is that you write the shape, whichever it is spherical, that you write it in your notebook. Thank you.